Breaking the Wall of Global Diplomacy. Susanne Salz, Local Governments for Sustainability Global Diplomacy Lab.
Imagine all the people living life in peace. John Lennon wasn't the only dreamer. I, for one, have joined him. But I'm also realistic. Currently, we're failing to adequately address issues such as climate change, migration, terrorism, and so many more. What we need in order to do better at global diplomacy is a new global organization, the United Actors. But who or what is the United Actors? Basically, it brings together all those that matter in order to discuss global challenges and to find solutions fit for the 21st century. Countries meet and discuss at the United Nations. But today, it's not only countries that matter, it's also cities, business, and civil society. So I suggest that, at the United Actors, these three groups be given their legitimate place alongside and on equal footing with national governments. Why should that be? Well, when you read the news on all of these topics, is it only countries who are doing something? No. It's also cities, business, and civil society. When you think of it that way, why doesn't the United Actors exist already? There's a wall in global diplomacy that prevents reforms and progress. In order to break down this wall, somebody has to go ahead and create this new United Actors organization. Recently, we from the Global Diplomacy Lab held the first successful event at the German House in New York. We suggested the idea to relevant individuals from the UN scene, and we received a lot of positive feedback. Next, we need to discuss the idea and the methods and modalities in more detail with a wider group. Then, how exactly should the United Actors work? Who joins, who sets the agenda, and how? How do we discuss and decide? We have some ideas and tentative answers to put on the table. Let's discuss them, and then hold the first United Actors General Assembly. Once we make that gathering a success, let's keep making it bigger and better from there. It's not going to be easy, and it is going to be a long road. But the world needs the United Actors, and it needs it now. So let's get started sooner rather than later. Do you think it's a good idea? Do you think we can do it? I think so. I believe in the idea of the United Actors. And referring to John Lennon once again, I really hope I'm not the only one.